Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android 8 or newer, a clean Qbittorrent APK or F-Droid build, and a writable downloads folder. Once installed, grant storage and network permissions so files and peer connections work. Next, exclude the app from battery optimization to avoid killed transfers. Make sure your chosen folder has space. Choose external SD if you want portability. This sets a stable foundation, so subsequent steps run reliably, and you avoid permission or background termination problems. You now configure the client for real use. Go to Settings and pick your download folder, plus limits for simultaneous downloads to prevent overload. Once done, set a listening port and enable encryption to improve peer connectivity. Then tune upload and download rate limits. Start lower, then increase to test stability. When you add a torrent or paste a magnet link, choose a custom save path if needed and either start it or add to queue. These steps control performance and privacy, while downloads begin smoothly. You finish by verifying completed files and organizing them into final folders for media players or archives. Once finished, consider enabling RSS or scheduler for automation, or set up Qbittorrent Web UI for remote control if you need access away from the phone. If a download stalls or peers are scarce, troubleshoot. Check port forwarding or UPnP on your router, test without VPN, and temporarily disable battery limits. This one key tip usually restores connectivity and lets transfers resume without further delay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.